It's the first week of April and it's time for a garden update. And I'm going to show you how I transfer a store-bought eggplant from soil to water, Kratky style. This is day 14, April 6, 2025. I film on Sundays so you can get it on Mondays. Transferring this store-bought eggplant in soil into my Kratky system. We're gonna simply just rinse all the dirt off the roots and stick it in my bucket. Please don't forget to catch my garden updates every Monday, and if you like this video, please watch another one. And thanks for watching.